What I was wanting to show today, or today, I guess, are these things that were inspired from my last math-related video. I'll go ahead and show you. This is what I would call an expression and factor generating matrix. And, well, let me see here. What I was working with in my last mathematic-related video was the numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, and 3, 6, 9. And I was looking at those closely. I was looking at those sequences closely. And I discovered that 1, 2, 3 doesn't have any spaces in between. It's just 1, 2, and 3. 2, 4, and 6 has one space in between, the 3 and the 5. And 3, 6, 9 has two spaces in between, 4, 5, and 7, 8. And so I started realizing how to build these things without having to use only these numbers. But by the way, I'll explain this to you real quick too. When you have all these numbers here, are listed like this, you'll see that 3 and 6 equals 9. 3 and 6, I didn't put a cross there, I didn't put a plus sign, equals 9. And you'll see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 9. And also, you can get other expressions like 5 plus 4 equals 9. You get that 5, 1 plus 4, and 2 plus 2. So there's another expression. Okay, going back over these expressions. What I found out is that you're really expanding an equation, like 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Well, all you did is add an extra 5 in there to the 3, but you expanded out the equations. Here's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, and 3, 5, 8. What I figured out with these, to make these matrices, they don't necessarily have to be spaced out in any sort of way, but there are constraints to these. Like 1, 2, 3, you have to follow that up by having a 2 right here, and then I put a 3 right here just to make that right here. And that adds up to 5, and 3 plus 5, which is right here, adds up to 8. So does 3 plus 5, and so does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they don't have to be as neat and tidy as this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, and 6, 3, 6, 9. That was the breakthrough that I discovered with these type of matrices. And so the question here is 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. And that's expanded out. Two expressions put together. 2, 4, 6. So you can have the 4, 6 right here is 10. And then 6 and 10 is 16, which is 6 and 10, 6 and 10. And 2, 6, 12. 2, 6, 10, and 16 right here. And again, you have these expressions, these other alternate expressions. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is 8 plus 8 is 16. Right here, 4 plus 4 is 8. Down here, 3, 6, 9. See what I'm doing? I'm going 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. So the two questions here, the two equations actually, two expressions put together. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. I'm just adding the 15 to it. But I'm expanding now the expression with this matrix. 3 plus 6 is 9. Take the 6 and 9 and put it down here. 6 plus 9 is 15. Take the 9 and 15, put it down here. 9 plus 15 is 24. And again, you have 9 plus 15 is 24. 9 plus 15 is 24. And 3, 6, 6, and 9 is 24. And then you can find out alternate expressions. 3 plus 9 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. And again, the last example, I did 4, 8, and 12. Like 4 is separated by 8 by 3. And 8 and 12 is separated but from 8 by 3. Like this was separated 3. This was separated, no separation, 1, 2, 3. 1 separation, 2, 4, 6. 2 separations, 3, 6, 9. And 3 separations, 4, 8, 12. So 4, 8, 12. Bring 8, 12 down here. 8, 12 is 20. And then bring the 12 and 20 down here. 12 and 20 is 32. And that equals, going that way, going this way, and also going this way. And these are the expressions you get out. 16 plus 16 is 32. 4 plus 12 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. That's another expression you get out. This can even be done with multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring the 2, 4 down here. 2 plus 4 is 8. Or 2 times 4 is 8. Bring the 4 and 8 down here. 4 times 4 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. Then you'll find 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 2 is 8. Plus 4 is 32. And then right here again, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. And I also found out that you don't need to exactly follow these rules where you bring the last 2 down. Right here, the center spot is a free spot. 5 plus 7 plus 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. Instead of putting a 12 right here, I just decided to put a 4 randomly. 7 plus 4 is 11. But then I brought the 12 down, 12, 11, to cap it off. And that equals 23. And you'll find that 12 plus 11 is 23. 12 plus 11 is 23. And 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 is 23. And also these extra expressions, 9 plus 14 is 23. And I wonder if I still have time. These right here, they're not always the same expression. 17 and 14 is 31. If you follow this line, 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 12 is 19. 12 plus 19 is 31. They don't always follow the same thing. They're typically mixed. Mixed expressions, 36 and 16. So, these are examples done in 5 by 5 matrices. You'll see that it works in there. And I believe that's it, I guess. Thanks a lot.